magnificent.
It's your girl Devine, and today's video I will be unboxing my gift registry bags. Now I do have my gift registry bags from Amazon, Baby Registry, Walmart, and Target Registry. So if this is something that you're into, let's jump right into it. So if you guys may or may not know, I just recently had my baby. It has been a couple of weeks. As you guys can see, my face is starting to slim out and not be so full. But enough of all of that. I'm going to start off with the Walmart box. So upon opening the box, it looks like this. Upon opening the box, you do get like a booklet of everything that is in the box. First thing I see is a 2 recipe, and this is for the Bobby or Booby formula. So we do have a 10 count of Honest wipes, another 10 count of some water wipes, a 24 count of Huggy wipes, and a 36 count of Pampers wipes. It do come with 2 packs of Millie Moon newborn diapers. I won't be using this because she's not in newborns anymore. It also came with some pseudo cream, as well as a pack of Always flexible pads in a sample size of Aquaphor cream, as well as some Lancinol breast pads and milk storage bags. I am pumping as well as breastfeeding, and this brand is a brand that I wanted to try, so I'm glad I got a sample so I could see how they milk bags are. Now, I do not use breast pads. I use my collection cups, and I actually have them in now. I might do a breast milk video, I don't know yet, but if I do, I will show you guys the collection cups I use. And that's pretty much all that came in the Walmart box. Now, for the Target registry and the Amazon registry, I did use 2 of the bottles in there because I needed to know what bottles she liked. So the bottles that I do show you guys, they're not going to be in the packaging, or I'm not going to have the packaging for the bottle. So I'm going to start off with the Amazon Baby Registry bag first. So the first item is a newborn Muslim swaddle. And you could use this to swaddle, use it as a play mat or a sun shield cover. She don't like to be swaddled, so I probably use this as a nursing cover or as a little sunshine cover on her stroller. Next, we do have a Bibs bottle. Now, I never even heard of this brand until I got this bag. And this is a 9-ounce bottle. The next item I did get was the anti-colic Dr. Brown bottle. And this was the 4-ounce bottle. Now, I love Dr. Brown bottles to a certain extent. And then after a while, they start leaking. So this is why I did switch out of Dr. Brown's bottles. And I just used the Event Phillips bottles. I use the Dr. Brown's bottle as breast milk storage bottles, and it's convenient for me. The next item is Mama Bear Gentle Touch size 1 diapers. This is a pack of 2, so I will be using these. So next item we have is the Phillips Event bottle, and this feels like a 4-ounce bottle. Then we have a MAM Easy Star Anti-Colic bottle, and it looks like this. And it also has a little binky inside. This do look like another 4-ounce bottle. The next item is a travel size Lysol laundry sanitizer, and it looks like that. Then I have Baby Jergens Common Head to Toe Liquid Wash. I am glad that I got this because I did wanted to give this brand a try to see how it works with her. We do have Amazon Essential Onesie, and this is a 6-month onesie. Last but not least, we have a sample pack of Palmer's Cocoa Butter Skin Therapy Oil, as well as the massaging lotion for stretch marks. and it looks like this. I used the skin therapy oil my entire pregnancy, and I only got a little bit of stretch marks. Like, my stretch marks is extremely light to the point you can't even see them. I do like Palmer's stretch mark line. I did use the butter instead of the cream. That also worked good as well. And that's pretty much everything that came in the Amazon Baby Registry bag. So last but not least is the Target Registry bag. Now y'all, I had to pay $7 for this bag. Can you say a freaking ripoff? One, it was out of stock for the longest. On the Baby Registry, it was out of stock, so I had to wait for it to be in stock, pay for it to get it shipped to me. To me personally, that's scamish, because if you want me to spend, or you want somebody to spend at least $25 to $35 off my registry to get a free gift bag, why am I paying $7 to get the bag to me? Like, come on. So that's one thing I did not like. We do have another anti-colic Dr. Brown bottle, and this is 4 ounces. As I mentioned, this bottle is not in here because I do use it for breast milk storage. Then we have some absorbent and soft diapers. This is a size 2 diapers from the Target brand, and it looks like that. I have more sample packs of the Lancinol breast milk pads and storage bags. Next, we have 2 sample size of diaper cream. This is from the brand called Triple Paste. I never even heard of this brand before. And it comes with a $2 off coupon. We have another sample of Millie Moon's newborn diapers that I can't use. I do have a sample of the Doppel breast milk storage bags. I didn't even know they made storage bags. I'm glad that they sent this because I do have some options of what kind of storage bags to use. I do have a 5 count of Millie Moon sensitive wipes, 20 count of baby wipes, a Bibs pacifier, Parasol clean dry diapers. This is a size 1. Never heard of this brand. Another sample of Philips Baby Event bottle in a size 4 ounces. These are Pampers Pure Diaper in a size 1, as well as another 10 count of water wipes. A sample size of Mommy Bliss gripe water. Y'all, this stuff definitely works. I used it when Harmony was constipated, and y'all, it works. A sample size of Dreamy Lavender Baby Lotion. This is the Up and Up brand. As well as a sample size of Aveeno Baby Lotion. A sample size of Baby Dove Sensitive Body Wash. Another sample size of Up and Up Dreamy Lavender Shampoo Baby Wash. A sample size of Doppler fragrance-free bottle wipes. Now, this stuff is the GOAT. I use this from my pump parts and bottle wipes when I'm on the go. And last but not least, some boogie wipes. This is Gentle Saline Nose Wipes. And it looks like this. And on the back is a $1 off coupon. And that's everything that I got in all of my gift baby registry bags. To be honest, even though I had to pay for the Target bag was my most favorite bag. And then I would say the Amazon Baby Registry bag. The Walmart box I really didn't like at all because it literally was a freaking baby wipe box. All I got was baby wipe samples. Now, all the reviews that I looked at, other people got a lot of stuff. So I guess their inventory was low and I got what I got. But at the end of the day, I'm grateful and I'm always happy. You could never go wrong with too many wipes. But if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button as well as hit that subscribe button. And make sure you guys turn on your post notifications so when I do upload another video, you guys won't miss it. Stay safe and be blessed. And I'll talk to you guys later. Peace. Now I got a pump. 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 I got a pump.